Please kids ask your parent, like, subscribe and forward.
Dear kids, today I am going to give the real historical judgment given by Imam Ali alayhi salam in the city of Medina in Hijaz. As we all know, he was representative Imam in universe nominated by God. And we also know from Quran that God nominate one with bravery, wisdom and knowledge, which was all there in Imam Ali alayhi salam. During the era, there were two women who gave birth to a baby, one Khadija and other Maryam. One babe was boy, another was girl. And both claimed that boy belonged to her and girl belonged to other. As both belonged to very strong tribe, fight continued till it reached the Qazi court of justice. Both Khadija and Maryam presented their case to Qazi.
Qazi, Salam alaikum. My name is Khadija. Have given birth to a baby boy, confirmed by midwife, but this woman say that boy belonged to her and is giving me this baby girl, which is not mine. Qazi, Salam alaikum. My name is Maryam. Have given birth to a baby boy, confirmed by midwife, but this woman insist that boy belonged to her, which is not her. Qazi, call midwife and esquire, and ask her to tell the truth, which she said, I gave each woman their own child, and I don't remember who had girl and who had boy.
After hearing their case, Qazi was confused, as the tribe was strong led to bloodshed. They tried to consult with different people, but were unable to give verdict on the case. Hence they refer the case to the ruler. Here we see if person on throne, I is not the one appointed by God, he lacked the knowledge. Hence, he called all his Qazi and other people to help solve this case, but unfortunately was unable to find any solution, and was looking for a help. Here a follower of Imam Ali alayhi salam told ruler to ask Imam Ali alayhi salam to help solve this case, as he is the door of knowledge, said by Prophet peace be upon him. Imam Ali alayhi salam was called. When he arrived, he listened to the case and then asked people in court to bring to equal size, equal weight cup. Cup was brought. Now, the cup was given to both the women and was told to add milk up to mark. After getting the cup with milk up to mark, he asked for a balance, so he can weight both the cup by placing on opposite side of balance. Hence balance was brought, and cup was placed in both the hand of balance. As the balance was allowed free fall, one side went up and second side went down. Imam asked the person in charge, whose cup is this which is heavier? He replied, the heavier cup belonged to Khadija, and lighter one belonged to Maryam. Imam Ali alayhi salam gave the verdict that boy belonged to Khadija and girl belonged to Maryam. Here people started to ask Imam, how we can accept your judgment with this procedure? For which Imam replied by verse of Quran, Surah and Nisa. In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful. Allah enjoins you concerning your children, for the male shall be the like of the share of two, female. Hence always, boy will have twice the share of girl, therefore milk of boy mother will be 2 times heavier than milk of mother of girl. With this judgment, girl and boy were given to respected mothers.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad.
This proved that
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad.
Imam Ali alayhi salam had ilm, laduni, knowledge given by God,
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad.
and now ruler of time, stood up and thanked Imam Ali alayhi salam and said, Ali alayhi salam, if you were not there, I would have been in trouble. Hence the great fitna which could have led to agree at bloodshed was safe with the wisdom, knowledge of Imam Ali alayhi salam.
Daddy, can I ask you a question?
Sure. Zainab.
How long ago this mystery was solved?
Before I answer your question, I will ask kids, please ask your parent, like, subscribe and forward.
This happened around 1400 years ago.
Daddy, can I ask a question too?
Sure.
Want to know about a history? Why Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, settle in Medina and not in Mecca?
As we all know, at the age of 40 Prophet peace be upon him started teaching the religion of peace, that is Islam, to Arab world. As Arab were idol worshipper, they started not liking Prophet peace be upon him, and then started hurting him. Since God was guiding Prophet, so he and Imam Ali used to sit in way of caravan of Medina and teaching them Islam. As people of Medina were, with wisdom, ready to accept Islam. Hence after some time people of Medina observed that the people of Mecca may kill Prophet peace be upon him. Hence in meeting they decided to invite Prophet to Medina, with condition that he may reside in Medina forever. So Prophet accepted their invitation and decided to move to Medina.
Please kids ask your parent, like, subscribe and forward.